I don't know who needs to hear this, but just because you were a topper before doesn't mean that you will actually feel ahead in life afterwards. In fact, in some cases, it does the opposite way. You know, school life it's different. You keep hearing things like, "वाह ये तो सब कुछ सही करती है, ये तो कर ही लेगी." But the real twist start after the school ends, and honestly, no one really prepares us for that time. There was this moment not very long ago when one of my friends, who used to be an average student in school, no, I'm not judging here, I'm just telling. So she casually asked me कि मैं अभी लाइफ में तू क्या कर रही है? And at that time I paused because I didn't feel comfortable in saying that कि I have followed completely different path because I'm not doing CA, not CS, कुछ और ही. I am doing a complete different thing because I am a topper, right? And topper aren't supposed to do the things differently, or they are not supposed to trying the things or figuring the things out slowly, right? I don't know about you, but sometimes I just feel that people think कि toppers की life में तो सब कुछ sorted ही होता है, but हम ध्यान से देखें तो कभी ना कभी सबसे ज़्यादा unsorted वही होते हैं. Today I am into different field, I am exploring, trying out the new things, but this path it is not what I am supposed to do. Because I was the topper, and that time I realized that this is something which is called the topper mentality, and this topper mentality is not always the strength. Sometimes it creates a silent pressure because toppers are not always chasing the marks. उनको अप्रूवल भी चाहिए होता है, परफेक्शन भी चाहिए होता है, प्रेडिक्शन भी चाहिए होता है, एंड इन रियलिटी लाइफ इन तीनों चीजों के बिल्कुल ऑपोजिट है. What I have learned from my own journey, and maybe you can relate it too. Number one, toppers often grow up afraid of failure. Yes, we were trained to succeed but not to experiment, and life after school is all about experimenting. Number two, we tie our self-worth to being ahead, but after school there is no syllabus, there is nothing like one size fits for all, right? तो सभी उस टाइम सभी अपनी अपनी रेस में अपनी अपनी पेस पर आगे बढ़ रहे होते हैं. Number three, toppers often choose safe path. Let's be honest, sometimes we feel that what if we fail, what if we mess up, that's too in front of the people who used to clap us. So school time में हमारे लिए clap करते थे, उनके सामने अगर हम फेल हो गए या कुछ मिसअप कर दिया तो वो क्या सोचेंगे. सो दिस इज व्हाई वी ऑलवेज ट्राई टू फिगर आउट द सेफ थिंग व्हिच वर्क फॉर अस. नंबर फोर, real growth starts when you are okay being a beginner again, even if that means feeling behind, even if we feel confident in saying that I don't know yet, I am just figuring the things out. And most importantly, it is okay to outgrow the version of yourself you were once proud of. Just because आप पहले कुछ और थे doesn't mean that you can't outgrow that version. You can't become better, braver, and someone more you. So if you are watching this video and you were always that topper but now feel left behind, alone, underconfident, then breathe. You are not alone. This time the race is not about rank. It is about depth. It is about direction. From one recovering topper to another. Let's unlearn, relearn, and allow ourselves to grow बिना किसी gold star के. For more such videos, subscribe my channel. See you in the next video. Till then, bye bye.